QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side after losing a horizontal line of support above the 110.8 USDT. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 104.68 and the 95.9 mark. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the scenarios that I expect to play out here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I believe that from the lows we made down here on the 17th of May, we saw an ABC corrective structure to the upside, having these as the formation of that wave A. So we have these as the wave A, a pullback in the formation of that wave B, and then finally saw the formation of that wave C to the upper side, giving us a high above the 120.22 mark. And having seen that ABC corrective structure, whatever we should expect is a 5-wave structure to the lower side for this case. And in this case scenario, I believe that we have seen the formation of that wave 1, so a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave that got rejected within Fibonacci key areas, that is the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, starting the formation of these wave 3 to the downside. Then over the weekend, we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of these wave 4, and whatever is playing out over here is most likely to be the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side. And to just show you that the wave 3 did the minimums, I can connect the Fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connect the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 2, and you can see that we fully maximized the Fib ratios 1:1 and also the Fib level 1.618, and that was above the 106.46 in a breakdown move that gave us a low below the 102.99. Then over the weekend, we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that wave 2 to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, you can see that we saw a bounce into the area between the Fib level 0.382 and a maximum of the 618, which is a good target area for that wave 4, an area within which we got rejected. And you can see that we have continued to see that sell-off over here in what I am now terming as the formation of these wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension once again from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connect the Fibonacci's to the low of that wave 3. And the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the Fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 98.2 mark, which is that target area over here. And that is an area that QNT can easily maximize in the next coming hours. You also need to have in mind that having seen an ABC corrective structure from the lows we made on the 17th of May, there's a very high chance that this 5-wave structure over here is just a corrective move of this whole structure. So using the Fibonacci's, we can also be able to identify more target areas that we need to pay attention to by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 17th of May to the highs above the 120 USDT mark. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to is between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 96.16 and the 104.84. So that is a Fibonacci key area of support that 5-wave structure needs to continue holding within. And as long as we continue holding within that area, then I'm expecting that at some point we are going to find support and then start a reversal to the upper side, breaking above major swing highs and key areas of resistances in a move that can easily get us back above the 120 USDT mark in the next coming days. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the QNT chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.